So we continue the program Good Morning Salon and Council with studio guest them. As I go introduce Jonathan Sandy, JPJ, we in the presidential candidate for the National Unity and Reconciliation Party, NURP, with the name people can call them cut across. Good morning, welcome to the program.
Good morning, Ahmed.
We also get in the studio, Madam Femi Kodo School. We in the chairperson, leader and set flag bearer for the Unity Party. So far, we don't be the only woman we don't get into the presidential race. Good morning, welcome to the program.
Good morning.
And we also want for welcome to the studio, Alhaji Mohamed Sowa. We are the leader, chairperson, and set flag bearer for the United Democratic Movement, UDM Party. Good morning, welcome to the program.
Good morning, family. Good morning.
We are the people in this work at the studio this morning as we try to get and reach out to the different political parties and the candidates. Then we will talk about which are the aspirations, which they want for change, and which are the developments that we then get na the agenda as they go into the elections. So I'll start with JPJ, Jonathan Sandy. First and foremost, tell we understand that last week when I get on a convention outside and make you flag bearer. Congratulations on that. Within Unakawit as NURP.
Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you for listening. It's my pleasure for the once more again 98.1 for talk to you now. The good news is this time I not come like a technocrat anymore. I come based on the, as you say, Ahmed, the outcome of last week Tuesday. Today now almost 1 week now I don't become presidential candidate and flag bearer for the National Unity and Reconciliation Party. So this time I talk like a politician. Now I want to tell with membership both home and abroad for whether they trust me and then get for elect me and make sure say I take the flag for Louis Capture State House. Now I'll tell you something about the National Unity and Reconciliation Party. As the name called National Unity and Reconciliation Party. I don't want to rehearse some of the discussion we may not get here a long time again. Who's how we come on, who's how then they go. But as you know, Ahmed and colleagues them, we be start as a civil society movement in 2013. Where some of we they out with the support student, youth and grassroots women them for them they preach about how for change or how they will contribute for change the political culture in this country. I can several times one way women they do now for work with political parties now different political parties. And we also be the work every year when they celebrate the International Youth Day, 12th of August, where they call for advocate for the political rights of youth and students in this country. So in the last 2 years, we decided to, yes, we get for transition to a political party. And therefore, we party basically, as the name call, they try for address two things. One, how much we for work together as a nation state. As you know, part of the thing we believe, and you said many people go trust with, that after independence, past and current politicians are able to bring we can together it as a nation. In other words, the greatest asset we got given now with diversity, which man they call diversity mean with tribes and ethnicity. But when it comes to politics, we don't see say past and current politicians. They be done they use way to call politics of divisiveness, and then they divide it based on with ethnicity and with tribe, whether you're not Mede, you're not Creole, you're not Timini and Creole. So we feel say the next generation of people then, where will they work with, they not for think about whose tribe you come on. It will for they think about the big issues that will matter to we Ahmed. You know, like with students, the majority then get loan, the right to education, the right to health, the right to jobs, the right to finances. Where God give you natural resources, how much you don't harness into that for the all man better. So therefore, we basic concern, as I said, are the principles of good governance. We anchor on national unity and reconciliation. The aspect of reconciliation, we also believe, say, some of women there, so we go through the war with generation, where the war done on January 18, 2002. From that time, the TRC report come, the Truth and Reconciliation Commission. The person that the advisory board chairman for NURP or CNU, that and Bishop Humper, we believe, say, most of the recommendations then from the TRC will not be done implemented as a nation. So those are the issues. One of the fundamental issues I will tell you later when and how we go reduce with safeguard with the supreme rule of law that we country that at the national constitution. Because we believe say we come people and they say how now on register. We believe say none of the presidential candidates then so far we don't come out. They're able for inspire people then for waiting make we for vote March 7. But we get the answer. The answer is we come for safeguard not only the principles of God, but make sure that we push the process for getting a new constitution will go guide with all.
Right. Okay, well, that only the smaller cover to Madam Femi Claudio School, we're the presidential candidate and leader of the Unity Party. Good morning, Wamote. Welcome to the program.
Good morning. Thank you for inviting.
We don't get you now for talk about the Unity Party, but as a presidential candidate, why are they into this race?
Well, we're inside the race, number one, for Winam. And why we want for Winam? Now, because we want to see a different Sierra Leone. And the part of Sierra Leone when we want to see different, now the life of the Sierra Leonean, the daily life of the Sierra Leonean. I think about 78% of Sierra Leoneans are poor. But Sierra Leone are wealthy country. So, waiting at the way they disconnect the wealth of Sierra Leone from the people of Sierra Leone. And that's in the new one for see connected. But Kutin and the way they go on as Sierra Leone, we really and truly enough for happy. And we they talk the talk, but we know the waka. We they talk about education, say we get 78% illiteracy, especially among women. But what in successive governments don't do? How will they fix that problem? Will they talk about the problem of water? But what we really they do for fix the problem? Will they talk about overcrowding in the cities? What we really they do? What the Unity Party want for see? Now a complete change in the life of the Sierra Leonean. You know what kind of treat you stop any young man and you ask her let you 5 blocks. So God did not get an eye pocket. In a country where minerally rich, fishing, marine rich, agriculture potential unimaginable, tourist potential extremely wide. Outcomes, Salon people and poor. Unity Party want for see change in the people in life. Let this woman picking a sense we put in school without in order for go to us. Even the farmer, let able for plants in next yield without in order for go mortgage. Basically, they get for go mortgage parts of them produce in order for get fertilizer and seeds for the next planting. How will they make that change? How will they connect the wealth of Salon to the people of Salon?
So, what strategy the Unity Party bring for achieve this way different from previous governments?
The first most important thing, now monitoring, supervision, and for knowing they be inside this country. For me, as a citizen, I can get the feeling like I say the left hand know what the right hand they do. You go now a very simple office for go accomplish something extremely simple. It's so complicated. If you go say one time I say let me self go clear my container. Let's see what's in this thing for clear container way and they pay so much money. Now that time they realize say the agents and they do a wonderful job. You they come up, you get one signature, you run go down yonder, you come out there, you run go here, you come out there, you run go yonder. If you don't take 10, it'll take you almost 2 weeks for clear one container till you begin pay the mortgage. Why on earth this process no go simple? Woman in Peking don't sit back, it won't go S1. It's not simple. It's not straightforward. Me feel to say part of the problem na Sierra Leone na supervision, monitoring, and accountability. This na your department. Now this you supposed for do. How comes? Even we general, I don't know if I will call it with customer service na the country or waiting, but disconnection day where and you can't able for put your finger on it for say okay. Take for example this road na Hillcourt. All them people that wait up na that road today. And they tell you they all get respiratory problem. They're not able to, none of them blow fire, they all they cough.
Alright. Continue for the with me at the studio, Madam Femi Claudio School, Unity Party presidential candidates. We will come back to you as we also get at the studio this morning. The presidential candidates for the United Democratic Movement, UDM Party, winner Alhaji Mohamed Soa. Waiting the UDM gets for Salon people as the March 7 election they near.
Yeah. Fumble there. We know say after independence, so now it's 56 going to 57 years. Let me ask you, sir, out of that 56, 57 years, how much years they inside that 56 to 57 years will be the most of? If we count the years there, we're good for me, you go not say things don't work well. And one thing we our will know now that all this period, a very good number of politicians, a very good number of the governments that we don't waste people their time, don't waste Sierra Leoneans their life, don't waste young people their life. And if we continue in that direction, my brother and sister, it will reach a time, it will be very difficult for young people. It will be very difficult for Sierra Leone. Now I make to say, this time around, would they put foot stronger and make sure say UDM take over the country?
What don't change from 2012 to this 2018 election? Now the UDM will make you think say other party will able to take over and change the country.
My sister, very clear that governance na continuity. And now we talk anything bad where the previous government don't do. I'm sure they don't do their own. But let I tell you, there is more to be done. Look, now we actually they say the country will run na by turn, na we own turn. Politics to by turn. Politics, that your performance they make you stay. Now we dey go to an elections where the people that they go vote. If they are happy with the present government, believe me, they are going to vote them back. If they're not happy, they are going to do a change.
Whose message you take to the people concerning the present state of affairs?
We got plenty of things that we me go write home about. And there are other things there where we need for improve. For instance, my sister be just to talk something this law. The West stages of the country, plenty. Let me tell you something. Go to their offices. Go to their offices and see what they happen. A single workshop where they make. A single workshop where they make. They charge government for 100 pen 10,000 euros. How salon will go before where few people they sit up and 12 salon money. Waiting 100 people there for it, one man go sit up, the 99 people they go and suffer. All the things here are not too good for the country. So we need a government not to forgive the resources, but for also able to supervise and know what they happen at the defense.
Waiting at the alternative where owner the offer to the people and must not go into the elections.
The alternative one, we get for make sure say the resources of this country go to each and every Sierra Leonean. And we will try as best as we able for to close the gap between the poor and the rich. Let me tell you, most of the rich people in this country, they tap the resources of this country. All the one when they sign agreements on behalf of Sierra Leone, all the one when they receive money on behalf of Sierra Leone, believe me, are the rich people. Waiting for enjoy as a government, now just a few people and they get. This time around, we will close that door there. We not they say you know the bill. You go be the host, but we they look at your salary. You salary for FIBA the kind host where you bill. How you go be host where you salary no able bill? It means something the way you do. Now that we go put a monitor, we will go the monitor the incident for let's stop. Because now they continue to be poverty in the country. And the poverty make with this.
Alright, well, continue for the retreat. In name na Alhaji Mohamed Sowa, in the leader, chairman, and also flag bearer for the UDM party. We also get in the studio Jonathan Sandi, JPJ. We are the presidential candidates for the National Unity and Reconciliation Party, and also Femi Claudio School, flag bearer for the Unity Party. May I come back to you, Jonathan Sandi. Now we see the Temona certificate for operators political party. Just last week, we had a convention outside the elected as flag bearer. In terms of preparation for catch up to political parties that don't be in existence for a long time, how much we don't prepare because March 7 or campaign just begin on the 5th of February, we're not too far.
Yes, thanks, Ahmed, again. The thing is, as I say, we don't follow an organic path. We don't, like, where they say radio democracy now, part of a civil society framework, where when I be done to do some things. So say one day when I will change, say, you know what, some of us the work here, change what you want to else. Now that will be done to do. So it means it is not new. We get an institutional memory of how politics they work here. The second thing I want to make, you know, we're scared for the forget about political parties. Political parties, then get for them the conduit Now the media what they use for will all compete and share with ideas. What I mean by that, I not feel say political parties now then in principle now then get for benefit with itself as we they move. What for the focus on now? Do we have a critical mass of people where either they belong to different political parties? Waiting at them people they have to them vision, they shared vision for the country. Waiting at the big issues they will for focus on. I think and when people then can say, oh, political parties they get strongholds. I say we not for the talk about stronghold. We look at candidates. When I look at we all and see waiting at the what we get for deliver.
But that's changed now. That's not the reality.
That no, I mean the reality is here. We get for work towards that. And that we could say the National Unity and Reconciliation Party. We there not only for this election. We there also for make sure that we continue to advocate for the issues we matter to every Sierra Leone.
So the issue of our preparedness also, on our feeling candidates and for
yes, now that yes we did yes because the first imagine at the 20 then give a certificate together or C4C and the first deadline we getting at the 28th for submit local councillors. There we did. Ahmed, we are so proud. We're able to do that across the country.
I live 146 words.
At least we get 1/3 to half of that. So I'm happy we did that. We also get someone that will come up, but by the time when they make, they're able for pay to government, they're able for pay the symbol fees. So therefore, they get for fallout. The reason is we don't want to do for like what some other parties then do. Then they rush pay for people. Then that's election bribery. In fact, we party will pay for some of because most of them remember then are women and young people. Then we want to get them there. So what you will say. Then take with an undertaking. We say you get for right, if they pay for yourself, but at some point you get for payback small. Because we don't want for force people them or we pay them like I know some parties that where they engage in election bribery, then pay for members, then for them the number then swell up. And that's not what we want. We want people inspired by themselves and then come up so that if they want to be councillors, they want to be members of parliament, it's their will and then believe in the vision. So we too encourage them, yes. We mobilize, we party in resources, with membership dues, some of which are donated to them. They will make sure, say, if you come, you must, for example, the experience you will get, you must take your local tax paper, if you're not upline. You must make sure, so you go to a JP and do that. Then when you come, if you're not a woman, we will make sure to give you free symbol. We make sure to say, okay, if you not get a couple, we say, well, what will they do? Now, you say, no, the party trust me, they loan me. We'll say, yes, but write something, they will give you, and they will make sure to we support that person. But we're not able to do that for all men. So we decide, say, the most vulnerable one then are the student or youth and the woman that we.
So are really ready for participate or not just to participate for they wanna be part of?
No. We ready. As I tell you, now I just tell you say we feed. Then imagine in less than 1 week will be Christmas holiday. For me you get so it was not automatic. It was the fact that then people have to be done they already forget into that space. That's number one. Number two, the parliamentarians. Now this Friday coming we Femi then we all they go feed with parliamentary nomination for presidential candidate. So we are on the path. And we don't do convention. When we go PPRC, we don't go sign code of conduct, say we're ready for contribute to this thing. So in terms of the timeline and NEC and PPRC, it's wonderful, at least for praise we are made that we are ready. Imagine in terms of campaign.
People, and where somebody will say National Unity and Reconciliation Party, somebody be asked, who's party that one day? How much not don't do forget visibility in political space? Yeah,
we don't do some, because one of the things we all proud of now the role of mass media. When they help with a lot. Right now today, as I left on as I McKinney, I go give motivational talk to Unimac on the team beyond dual citizen. Is there a need for a new generation of political leadership in Sierra Leone? So the University of our membership at the University of Unimac, they don't invite me for go give a public lecture day and motivational talk to the next generation. We don't open office that been T constituency 066. We get the youngest youth councillors the way they come. McKinney Hassan Conte is 1920. So we are proud that I'll be in McKinney today. I will go celebrate today. We don't come up, we don't go Kenya. So what I try for talk is we've been on the work over 4 or 5 years. I think we have to say we go to, but remember, as I will come to some of the policy priorities we'll get for this country. I think we get an agenda. We would seek the political rights, the political economic rights of the people that will suffer.
Okay, we'll continue for the week 3. In name na Jonathan Sandy. in the presidential candidate for the NURP.
I come over now to Madam Femi Claudius School, when are the presidential candidates for the Unity Party. How the party don't position itself in terms of preparedness for face the campaign period and that of the polling day, being that we get the incumbents we in the All People's Congress, the main opposition and other political parties then we on the contest with.
Well, with the position we say fairly well. We don't really organize ourselves where we get different groups then at the different districts then. And me personally, I think to say I don't visit all the districts there now in Salone. Some districts and I don't visit almost all the chiefdoms then. I don't do the medical outreach now, a number of them. And then we maintain a thing of communication with all the different districts and we have not to table go convention. So they're all in Canton. So we all get a meeting where we get a plan of how we want to go about the actual campaign itself. So we don't position ourselves well. I know, I mean, I go like more things than be perfect, but it's not bad. We they manage, we they try.
In terms of support base, you they get as woman, you they get support from you company woman them as expected.
On different level. On that level of woman, the way I've been the Abobse will come in that level as councillors, honorables, or even come on the executive now and not get that support there. From the grassroots women, I seem for they get more support, but you know I can always say, not judge your crowd, not judge your popularity by the size of your crowd. So I think I seem for relate to the women on the ground because me and a person way I very much care about the issues that really affect people in daily life. And that the issues then they seem for they touch people them and they're able for really relate to it. You know, where they talk about school issues, women then they really understand. I know it's in the average woman at the village stuff, I know it's in the past. In terms of if you want to put in Peking school, the expenses, pay for practical, pay for pamphlets, pay for this, pay for that, from a small pool of money where it gets. So the more I get in conversation there with them, the more then they educate me, the more then they get for know me for say, this is a person we able to trust, we able for trust them. Mommy call if we trust you, if we above by you, you not go fail we. So then they meet me one-on-one for able for ask me their questions and for learn I answer them honestly. So I know the women support they come, especially as I say on that grassroots level there. The notion say woman not they supporting company woman. In the beginning I've been really experienced that. But as we they move forward where people really they get for know what that be waiting one can do, then they support.
So some people for their political party contest election like this 2018 year, they want for the CD sign them from the small position them before they come to the presidency. The Unity Party send anybody or people them for big councillors and the members of parliament.
Yes, we send. I think the total number of councillors are 20, either 27 or 28. I'm not too sure the exact number, but one thing I can assure you of, we cross the 30% female mark. I think so we even get about 40% women them. And we mix them, old people, young people, cross-section, and even the parliamentarians with the field candidates. With the field. Sadly, not as the women are not boku like our for like them boku. Again, the problems and financial constraints. As a new political party, we are limited to almost assistance we're able for give. And I feel to say something where somebody gets free is not a value.
Yeah.
But something where you pay something for, you invest in something. Me can tell the one the way. Some they phone me they almost they make me plabber. Say other party then they pay for the old thing. Other party then they pay for the old thing. Why you not gonna pay for the old thing? I say number one, win a new party. Will they come in with integrity, honesty, and a clear vision for Sierra Leone. Man not can begin light owner. Let not go to a scope for can satisfy owner. You weigh one stand. You must get your vision for Salone. If you not get your vision for Salone, then by right you know for one for be a member of parliament. You they can be lawmaker.
About 30, those about 30 councillors over the 400 seats within the different councils and the country.
Yes.
You know
it's small. It's small, but from small beginnings. What thing I go say? I know go just go begin pick then now begin go get people when not deserve for serve. I go get all say for no more the number then swell. No,
so parliamentary, how much should you expect for?
Parliamentary, I feel so they go over 20.
So you pick the side where you contest, so you feel say you get chance, or you just randomly
Able.
so you get people there?
I feel say I get chance. Na Sierra Leone. I don't get for pick specifically. Me no one knows na hot seat. I really know about that. All I want for know is I get a good candidate. We get a good vision for Sierra Leone. We know what it mean. Because I reject some they will pay for themselves. By the time me and then don't get a one-to-one conversation, whether in physical or on the phone, I say, Papa, you know where they
And Unity Party prepare for participate.
Unity,
or not for participate.
Unity Party, they participate. And Unity Party, they participate with a vision for win.
Alright, so we'll continue for the week in name Madam Femi for the school and the presidential candidates for the Unity Party. We come back to Alhaji Mohammed Sowa, UDM. How much una don't prepare, because before una all this convention we only get plenty issues about una convention holding or not, and finally we saw over the weekend una get una convention and you come out as the presidential candidate. How much una preparation done they go so far?
Yeah, indeed there are problems within the party. This tells you that the party they grow. Most times anything we not important, anything we not useful, people don't effect for. So there are problems, but we don't put that now behind we and we move on. We don't nominate councillors there. We don't submit to members of parliament the name. And as I tell you, we get team who they go around for begin talk to people there for make sure see they stay with me and let this election be an election for the United Democratic Movement.
From 2012, the kind of support to UDM they get, and we on a presidential candidate that they be declaring support for the president now. So now, you know, feel say we don't lost so much. That's much not again at the UDM, as people don't say.
Indeed, there were problems, but problems now challenge way you mean for look into a solver. There's problems then we don't solve that, and we move on. Really, we support base beyond the candor on the fact that they just believe see we not even able to contest the elections. But UDM not able to survive. But plenty of people don't say, well, UDM still they push and we are pushing.
But from 2012 to now, we get past almost by election and we're not seeing a participate in none of them.
You did tell me this, see, we get problems within the party. And most times when we get problems within the party, we have to concentrate in solving them problems. It's like when you neighbor you host dinner fire, you say if you host dinner fire, you try first for what you before you go out to your neighbor, you know so there are problems within the party. And them problems they are with so long. But thank God that we don't put that together and we don't put our BNO back and we move on now.
So almost councillors they are filing.
We have a very good number of councillors and we get a very good number of members of parliament.
Right. We'll continue for the week. We'll come back to you in name Alhaji Mohammed Sowa. We'll come back. We'll kind of look at waiting for bidding key campaign messages as the campaign get for start on the 5th of February. Now come again to Jonathan Sandy, we are the presidential candidates for the National Unity Reconciliation Party. Now we'll talk about how much they prepare for the elections. But what is the message we want to take to the people?
Yeah, Ahmed, we listen and that's the message we get. We call and say, waiting our public policy priorities, waiting our vision for Sierra Leone. As I say, the key message and they anchored on the principles of which man they call good governance, national unity and reconciliation. The key message we'll get for and what we say we want to pass on, and there were them based on not to today we just think it's not theory. Now based on the kind work we don't do some of we work in this country, we not just work for the United Nations, we don't work from village level. I use some fisherman in the talk, so I was in the fishery sector. So number one, we want to continue to advocate for the political economic rights of the most vulnerable groups in our society. What do you mean by vulnerable? Then people they face the most difficult problem in terms of poverty, poor, and inequality. Then people are also involved, the youth then we still they work with, the student them, the girl and women them, especially for them women they were in the traffic. Me don't they in national security. I know say a lot of problem there with most of we picking them and girls the way the traffic because how they are when they go other place them. So we need to advocate for their rights and how we go protect them. Number 4, we also want for continue for advocate for the political rights of victims of war, Ebola, and mudslides and flooding. We want for do that. Number 4, we want for advocate for the working class. What do you mean by working class? Then teacher them, then lecturer them, then nurses, doctors, the security sector institution, and also the private sector. Some people then the way that they work at the private sector, then mining coming in them. So brother and sister and the way they work now, they're not fair to them. If you reach the mining contract, then so then they fire them how and then. You go to the Ministry of Labor, more people they don't know than labor rights in this country. So we want for advocates say, look, if you get with man the car work in this country, you get black man, brother and sister, and now make motto na every Sierra Leonean matter. So one for make sure
they tell people because you don't use advocates like several times.
Yes.
How are the advocates where one of the contest election and they solicit voters them for support and vote on at the end of the day.
Yes, what I mean is that our pillar 1 where they say we want for advocate for them group then now just be the give the category that is student them for example. Most students them for example not get access to finance or money for pay them school fees, for need them wear uniform, and then
so it's not your strategy.
We have strategy for that. We want to ensure that waiting will be done the preach from the war. Wait for the Sanko wave. Some of will be the part of the deliberation day. Now for create a revolving fund, an education revolving fund.
What's the money they come up?
The money they come up, because as you know, you can also we not only have with money direct budget is support. We do take loan from government, but as they say. We based on the domestic revenue strategy we'll get, even the tax they will pay, we can be able to create that revolving fund. There are a lot of ways
we get our money. Everybody talk
of course,
waste,
of course. I know if I had come to pillar 2 now, how to fix the economy. The first thing is where we come, as you know, traditionally we get experience on how to fix the economy. For fix the economy, we get for say work hard for clear external debt. We pass 4 point something billion. We know now one thing now the way President Koma not going before March. So we first branch now for we call an economic security agenda. That's number 2. I'll be the council. Once you have that and you free up some money, wastages, and you ensure that even with procurement, the way 75% of the national couple now through like what I mean they say now through procurement at the ministries there. So we go cut off sometimes 10 naira so as you say and me say believe when I be then at the National Security Office. Something will cost 2,000, some money go buy 5,000, put on back, and the taxpayers' money. So we have to ensure that we national procurement policy work. So not only for anti-corruption for support that, but what they say is even with natural resources, we look Reverend Emmanuel, for example, so don't say 6.5 million.
Translates the vision, yeah, so the message also into something where go captivating, where somebody go listen and it's okay. I think so waiting this party stand for Natiwa will vote for them for.
Yeah, like some of them group, then the youth group they would don't work with. One of the vision will get for we they call them social interest group, but they don't get access to couple. So one experience we'll go do Ahmed. Now like what we do way back in the 80s, 90s, while they working at the fishery sector, we for translate them into economic interest group, which they call cooperative societies, youth cooperative societies. We don't lost. You remember from independence, if you check back, way to make India the Southeast Asian, then they don't better, they don't go to the KK, now cooperative societies, and they make an India. Then the exporter now 2 groups then because Boku youth they don't get what you wait mind they call collateral. You're gonna bank me and you too. How many people they even get bank book now so we want for train them for them left I do
one person they not a new idea and in
no new idea. New idea.
Farmers they know they can't.
Of course Farmers Association these are new concept. What I say is go to the National Cooperative Bank. They don't liquidate it, they don't have cuts now. Why we not activate it? We get Ministry of Trade and Investment, one old cooperative department they books then they manual and they how they teach people how to do bookkeeping, how to save their account at the fishing community. Go teach we get multi-purpose cooperative society, Conacredi, women's association in Chichom, all over this country also. They already work and affect them all. We now rebuild. In fact, the problem we get is we already talk about big macroeconomic, but we know after the war we now reconstruct to microeconomic. Now that area, the one for make sure say the village economics it come back so that people that are them village that I can tell people that. Even before the war, they get 2 interest groups. They get social interest group, the power, the Bondo Society, the Oje, where then they dance where they have to. The one where they get back that the economic interest group, 2 Osusu groups, and cooperative society. We not reconstruct them by bringing them people, because then people, they're not going to afford big host plan them, because now they're going to have the interest in at the bank. Then so will they get big copper from the iron ore? Will they get big copper from the bauxite? Will they get from the diamond? The question then is, between 2011 and 2030, we say we record 21.1% GDP growth rate. Then a big language down there, how countries and they assess that. But how it trickle down to be people there. So when they say, why you not go take that copper there, you put on a cooperative bank there or commercial bank there and say, look, when I train people them, when I build and capacity then youth them, they say when I go get access them. Then now that side, because nobody know, the non-Sierra Leone know the way I find out say it's stupid. Now innovation, they get innovation, but they don't get access to copper. So we therefore put copper in their pocket, number one. And then group then the working class, as I say, the nurses and the doctor, they know they treat the mining company, know they treat them fair. We want for advocates say the mining rights and then they will advocate, we do and well. When I already ask when I work pay, we get for a visitor.
Alright, Jonathan Sandy, continue for the between at the studio. Presidential candidates for NURP will come back to you. For come over now to Madam Femi Claudio School, where now the Unity Party presidential candidates. We don't get this talk from international partners then. We don't advise, say, for less salon economy be improved. The need for, the government's need for do this thing we then call economic diversification. How the Unity Party plan for work around this if it happen for win the next election?
Well, as I can always say, the one thing we wrong with salon, now the poverty where they filter down to the people there. So say we take office today, say now we win today. The population they look up to, we say, well, what thing una they can do we're different. Now the plans them boku, then fantastic, then they up there, then sophisticated. But what the Unity Party want for see, let me say in the first 1 year. Now the plan where the least person, that poor man go able for understand, say, well, I don't vote for you. I don't put me open trust by you. How are they able for see some benefit for no say yes? What till you promise, now you they deliver. The first things that when me feel to say we for look at, number one, now we health system. How comes people and then a salon where they sick, they not get no hope. They not get no side for go. What till we fit to do inside the first year? Say we not get money. Say we go inside governance, we meet empty till na debt number we go meet. What we can able to do that moment they for let the poor one then begin feel to say yes something they work. The person where then a family in picking clever, he want put on school, he not get money. Waiting at the immediate things then they to me now in a we own priority as Unity Party. The health, the justice, the education, and then you begin look now and say, well, we get for create jobs for let all length so work. So in terms of the health, you look at the system where we get. So well, how comes a day how we do so? You dey go for good do operation. Now you dey buy the needle, now you dey buy the thread, now you dey buy the cannula, now you dey buy the drip, now you dey buy the drip stand, now you dey virtually do all things. Waiting at the cause of that. Medical supplies then they. How come they reach the people away if for reach? So now we get for look Steven. There is a breakdown, communication don't broke down, the system don't well. How will they fix that? We look say, okay, the nursing and the medical profession, we na then get for deliver this care. Waiting at then your handicap. Number one, you get training. Say how they can train with nurses and doctors and make them become enthusiastic for let them like their work. You look at salary, you look at the training, you look at the working condition, you look at the supplies to the hospital, you look at the delivery of care. If you go to hospital, you not care you person go, na trouble meet you. If you not let on the bed for you, for the help you, can you go wash you, can you go this different. So what to make the nurses then, we the nurses then don't seem for take a step back, we look down slack. Na salary, na supervision, na monitoring, we know they put CI per waiting they go on at the hospital then. For me, taking office, then beginning thing then they now want let people and begin to say, somebody then a power, things don't begin change. I go to hospital, they mend me, then talk to me fine, then treat me without another for go begin buy all things. So how will they supply medication and equipment into the hospital?
So how now plan for raise all that money there? Because you said they talk, for example, if we take over government and we meet debt, how now plan for handle that?
So the first thing we get for do now for access, who say the money where they, who say they go. Because even if you look at the education, the schools are supposed to be supplied. They're supposed to supply them some amount of school equipment. but you know they reach the school then. So we get for now look who side this failing day. Initially, at the say Unity Party, we know they can for can change all things. We want look what thing we get. Who side well? Who side broke? How we able for fix them? Like when you go to the hospital and you meet all things broke equipments and don't well. How will they begin get the equipments and they for fix them? We know they look now say them big thing and so they can build new hospital, order new bed, do all this or no. Let me take the hospital with the way they, the PHUs the way they. We get them. After Ebola, we get them. How will they able for say now? Wetin will they supply you? You there na whose location? Wetin na your population? Na young people, na old people, na whose generation? We supply wetin you need. When we don't supply you now, administration get for the records get for the accountability get for they say we supply you this amount of medicine, we supply you this amount of wound care supplies. Also you the marker now say patient A come, na this I spend, na this I use. So tomorrow now we can look, we say this hospital, na farming community, then they get boku injury, then they wound boku. Let us supply them, waiting concerning to them. This is a young community. Then get a lot of pregnant women then. Will they meet their own need? So we know they say they can't create the wheel or the wheel already don't be invented. How waiting we get, will they make you work?
So how you go use your experience at the medical field? Because you example a more way they give now concerning health. How you go use that for areas or issues in other sectors?
Well, we can transfer. Let we come over say to education. Combrade, you want put in Peking school. It then a farming community where you not get no money. Waiting at the possibility say whether girl or boy that Peking they enter school. Yesterday, a privilege for me with one gentleman where they just do a report on the education system. The government stipulates say school fees 120,000. Then do a survey of about 10 schools. Some school and they for pull picking from if you picking on sits back one go S1. Some school they charge you 1 million. Some school they charge you 1.2 million. Some 1.5 million. So automatically you not on cancel but couldn't pay parents them. We not get that money there for let them. They like the picking make the mark. They still there for spend that money there. So again supervision comes in. Who said that money there they go? Why the school feel the need for charge that amount of money there? Because when you calculate them, say S1 they take 400 picking them. If each parent pay 1.2 million for them picking go S1, then almost 480 million. That's so how that money there they channel another particular school day. Again, it comes to supervision and monitoring and accountability. Who say when they record them? Picking and kind of school, we don't say power, they don't pay the 120 when the government stipulated school fees. Then they say they for buy at bank, they for buy badge, they for buy this, they for buy that. If we remember, say some of the parents are poor. They get for pay for pamphlets, they get for pay for practical, they get for pay for this and get for pay for that. Some picking because of them charges and they're picking they left the house. You know, they end up they go school at all, or if they drop out. Then, if we come into governance, what do we want to do different in terms of education? More of Sierra Leone. If you want to say reduce corruption, you can forget better supervision. Now you don't then at this position. What do they do? Show me who side the money they. Show me how you spend that. That supervision they me feel to say now one of the biggest problem. And at the end of the day, feed into the corruption. If nobody not get for ask you say how you spend the money, you'll not be seen. You can take and go build your house.
Continue for the between at the studio, Madam Femi Claudius Cole, the presidential candidates for the Unity Party. Will come back to you as we come over now to the presidential candidates for the United Democratic Movement, UDM Party, Alhaji Mohamed Suwa. Waiting now on your own areas of priorities if the UDM Party win the election.
First of all, during the tenure where His Excellency don't serve we don't enjoy stability in the country. And because of that reason, our short Sierra Leoneans they say, if Mika as president, one of the most important things that I will try to maintain, because any country with stability, you know, the people they in problem. The other thing where our will also look at the health system of the country. One thing where I realized that a very good number of the upper class don't get trust in the health system in our country. How I will get Minister of Health, e not trust for go na Connaught where he sick. How I will get Minister of Health, he will have sick, he not get mind for care na cottage. In my own government, as a president of Sierra Leone, if I sick, I dey go na Connaught. Why I for go na Connaught? Now until I go na Connaught, now I dey know the problems they will do. Now until we have go born a cottage, now you go know more of the problems we did. We should not left a cottage and Connaught for the poor. Now you make the health system they don't. Because all the upper class, when they want to take medical, they want to go for the medical, they go out of the country. And that's very bad. Because if you go na Connaught, you go know the problems and try for fixer. You go upgrade the nurses, the doctors, in terms of their performance. We talk about education. How you, na Minister of Education, you not get the mind for sending picking a government school? Now because you know say better not did it. In my own government, minister will all the send picking a government school. We will send picking a government school. Now that will make we begin to remember say we for upgrade the facilities then at the school and the teaching conditions that the school and education will count.
So how you plan for that? What are the strategies? What are the things that we don't really think say for they in place for upgrade the hospitals and this?
You the leader, now you the lead, others follow. You don't understand. If me as president they send me picking a government school, I don't stop you not sending picking a any side where you want. But if me as president don't begin sending picking a government school, I don't see the problems the way they did. Believe me.
But the problem is in school and they not hide. You don't need for sending picking for you know the problem. The problem they already did it.
Yes. Wait till I will let you know now that when me picking begin go there, with all other Sierra Leonean picking there, we interest as a country now for upgrade the educational system. Now the school and a very good number don't send them picking.
So don't find out say now the problem then where you, if you win, go on for address specific problems and the solution then.
The health problem. Now I just don't
let's take the education for example. Yeah. Now the government's schools say we say.
But my brother, how a teacher would don't teach for 1, 2, 3 years, they say you not get PIN code, you know they receive salary. Tell me if that teacher will continue for give attention for go teach at that school. Nobody no go teach like this country we know they receive the salary. One very important thing where we also need for you as a country.
You feel saying how bad the minister do for say okay, need for clean the register, you need for make sure say now qualified teachers them they're able to get.
I am not talking about the qualified teachers. We get a very good number of qualified students that we don't graduate at different universities.
But not the teachers then. I'm
coming. A very good number of students that don't graduate at different universities there. We can take teaching profession and help for being country up in terms of education. Why do not choose for good? Because teaching profession, people do not see as an enviable job like this country. But when we don't make the salary of teachers, we compare them to a staff na NIA, believe me, all young people will come up, they gladly for can't teach. And by so doing, we educational system they count.
Then just for involve money, how now we raise the money? How now the strategy we get for raise money for
we get for control the wastages. I don't tell you this not see. We get plenty MDAs there. Where the money they come
so
back.
You mean presently plenty wastages they happen out the
of
public
course,
service.
Wastages then there. I don't cite a case just know that we civil servants, the plenty civil servants, they help for make the government strength. Because once money can na a ministry, the next one they remember, now plan for how for it instead of do the road. This is very correct.
This is a big allegation that they make.
This is not where they happen. Everybody waiting at this country, you know, see, once money don't come at the ministry, then department, all the they plan now for begin it. And that's for stop. Well, the methods they will take for each money. That procurement business. But how you go get workshop? A single plate, where they sell 20,000, you charge government for pay 80,000 euros. Who said the money that they all go?
Right.
These are wastages.
Well, we're continue.
So that's for put you.
Na the studio. In name na Alhaji Mohamed Soa in the Flavia for the UDM party. We continue the program Good Morning Salon. Well, we continue the program Good Morning Salon, and we look at message them and comment on the rock on our Facebook page, and also send now is 077-981-981 line. This first message we as a look at on the 4G LTE. You have to launch a job well done yourself for the 4G service. We that we sell customers happy for it from Kavenu and Festival State.
This other one they come for the Unity Party. The person they say, Madam Cole, how are you coping with all the calls and pressure you are getting from groups for you to join other political parties and leave the unity?
Lawrence Lima said the UN leader is right to say that the Minister of Health does not use Sierra Leone health facilities, and most ministers send their children to private school, abandoning the public school system.
This one on the issue of the police where we aired the story earlier, the person they say, I'm advising the Sierra Leone police to be watchful, and my sympathy to the bereaved family. MZ Amaran on Facebook, they say, bravo to you, sirs. Honestly, we all got nice and fantastic technocrat ideas, but I advise you to join the APC and the SWP. Help them with your good ideas, because not them no more salon sabi. Please, one and not vex. This other man say these aspirants are talking about Sierra Leone prosperity. I wonder how they are going to acquire the victory come March 7. It comes from Musa Adams.
The UDM leader, 1 minute, he says he wants to continue with the stability created by BBK, and in another breath, he says there is rampant corruption in all ministries. Someone please help me with what he's saying.
Francis Bangura and Asmala Tong, they say, Radio D, the UDM party went for their convention on the 20th of this month, which is null and void. They failed to follow the constitution and the constitution of the UDM, and that's instrument of PPRC.
Abdullah Moyan on Facebook says majority of Sierra Leoneans are now wanting to make a career in politics because of the easy means of making money, calling on next government to create space for other professions to absorb young people in order to minimize the rush of parliamentary symbols and political wrestling.
This other one is says Sierra Leone has many political parties, but what we need is institutions that will transform the country.
Terry Noban on Facebook, they say how education will not go down the drain when some of us taught for 5 years without any approval. Education minister is not serious about education.
This other message say Madam Cole is the right person for Mama Salon. Let's give women a chance. They come out from Franco Mara.
Eric Vandy on Facebook say once beaten, twice shy. There is no way any meaningful Sierra Leonean will trust the UDM party. We know the UDM is an appendage of the APC. That narrating Vandy they say on Facebook.
This other one they say the rate of heartless people is alarming. I'm urging the police to do their findings properly and expose the defaulters.
Sunday Scott on Facebook, they say the UDM leader is making statements based on assumption. One thing I know is for sure that the Minister of Health and his 2 female deputies do go to hospitals he mentioned, and the Minister of Education wife is a teacher at the Muslim Model School. Another message to look at inside the program. This one from Nicholas Meziga saying, my opinion, we don't necessarily need an economist or trigonometrist to rule Salon, but a disciplinarian with integrity and someone who can make good sound judgments can develop this country.
This other one way coming for the story we air about the PDL, the person is say Radio D, the PDL needs to go by the PPRC advice for them to become a political party.
Maurice Ferenkeko, man on Facebook said Jonathan Sunday seemed to know what he's talking about, lots of substance. The interviewer appear out of depth on the subject matter, so he's just busy interrupting the candidate without listening.
This other one they say why the candidates are not talking anything about the sports sector. The sports sector will employ so many youth in the country. It comes from Kalamu na Passiva Street.
Victor Ako Megot on Facebook say JPJ Sandy you have very innovative ideas, but how will you be able to convince other parties and the coalition to share and work together your vision that you have espoused so eloquently?
This other messages say the UDM flag bearer is likely to follow the footsteps of his predecessor. Is it true or false?
And Osankode say, JPJ, what about your political culture that needs to change? How do you hope to do that? The political culture.
This other message say kudos to Alhaji Mohammed Suwa, presidential candidate of the UDM, for his wisdom on education as the current education minister has problems in Sierra Leone. Promoted by Sise Nakisi.
Alex Bango on Facebook said the issue of political divisiveness or politics of ethnicity or regionalism has grossly undermined the political development of Sierra Leone and development in general, whereas rampant corruption in every affairs, especially in the public sector, and chronic capitalism and lawlessness are the very reason for the socio-economic state of being. How different are those in the studios from other politicians?
This other one is say all the candidates are preaching change, change, change. But what is going to be the change? Is it for better, worse, or the best? Right, so look at a few more messages and allow the candidates then at the studio for respond to the message and what I don't send so far. This one said, please tell Madam Femi Cole that goods can be cleared within 3 days at the key if importers comply with the pre-arrival procedures. Major importers are currently enjoying the benefits of such. She is welcome to visit the key.
UDM, please, I suggest you join the APC. It's the same to say you have nothing bad to talk about the APC government. Pack and go to APC.
This other message on the text line, the person say, JPJ, tell us what experience you have nationally to help develop the nation and how you can link us internationally.
Well, from the message, just will cover to you for comments, and we start with Madam Femi Claudio School.
Okay, my first question, they asked me how I cope with the pressure of joining other coalitions. Well, right now, I'm not actually there under pressure because nobody don't invite me for joining any coalition, so I know they experience any pressure. Then they say for acquire victory, what will they do for acquire victory? I mean, for Unity Party, we basically they try for go out there for talk to people, talk to the electorates, show them who that we be, show them what we want for can do, and listen to what then get for say to we ask we questions. That's how we they go and relate to people. We not just they do all the talking, we they listen and we talk back. And Unity Party get a very open door policy. People in the kind of office and talk to me. Then say how come this question of going into politics for make money? Then a very important question where that person they ask. Because even with me, where people in the camp say we want for be parliamentarian, we want for like give with symbol. Some cases and they are actually don't reject some people, a couple of people where come where then when you ask the question, what's in your vision for Salone? When you think of a perfect Sierra Leone, what's in they come to mind? Waiting if you be a lawmaker, what you go on for do? Then blank. They not get no idea. Some man go can begin tell you things that we're not even there like in job description as a parliamentarian. You know, say this person, not to nothing, not easy way for can make money. Okay, well, what you don't do? How you don't occupy yourself? Another don't do nothing, another don't get work, another active non-side, another join non-pressure group, another don't do nothing. So that is a real fear. And we were as leaders of political parties, therefore be very careful as we give that symbol, especially for the parliamentarians, because then people and they can represent we own party now. If they go to parliament and go do the whole brown envelope thing, for those go look for gentry themselves, it reflects bad on you, the leader, will not use good judgment for give that person they use symbol. So that question, I really appreciate them. And now one way myself they keep in the back of my mind, the person can sit down before me for the symbol. Somebody they say education don't go down the drain. Everybody know that. And the reason with me they say is we get for look now on how we get for fix that. You know, there are many areas to the education problem, not to one side. Na training, na curriculum, na equipment, na school supplies, na admission fees, na all kinds of put together for able for solve them. Somebody else say the sports sector. The person quite right. Sports sector and old people. Now people we will not touch on this forum today. I mean, make it always sad the way we Sierra Leoneans can get so excited about foreign teams. One day I did drive na Aberdeen Road. Now one guy see me drive a England Manchester United. Me not a sports fan at all. England Manchester United to England the car. 90% turn to me say, "Mommy, call me for vote for you, but you know Manchester United supporters. I know they vote for you." So I just jog and come on at the car say, "I don't pull out." But joking apart, we're more enthusiastic about foreign teams than we own. I feel to say any leader where they come into governance in Sierra Leone for make them a point for let we begin get pride in we own sports activity, not just in football per se, but I think it's a valid question that we will really focus on. For let we begin get excited about we own teams and see how we put another sports from the nursery level all the way to international standard. So we can begin compete at the global village. Then somebody say about if the change where we want can bring can a change for the better or change for the worse. I can speak for myself. I want to see a Sierra Leone way they function. A Sierra Leone way people that we can I so they proud of we. Not to a Sierra Leone way aid dependent. If they're not do will not get. Anytime we get problem will go big. I want for the Sierra Leone show say this not a country where minerals they come out. This not the country where diamonds they come out. This not the country where get the best agricultural capability. Me want for let we begin showcase ourselves as an independent, wealthy country when I ain't God make me for be. Then somebody from the key they say now you declare in 3 days. That may not be my experience, but in full disclosure, I'm not clear not in this. My last experience was not very good at all. So after that, I decided, say, it's too much trouble. Even if when you bring goods, by the time you look your profit margin, it's so small. After all the two, you don't undergo the key. But if the key they under change, then kudos to them.
All right, JPJ.
Just thanks. My sister don't talk. Maybe self robot but some of the few questions. I know we'll take all, but particular one and they will then direct to one I would like for talk. But the first one now we the caller say or the texter say we don't need an economics. We need a disciplinarian and someone with a good judgment. I think that is very important. Ahmed and Khadija and colleagues. The point is, me don't they say that one question based on me work what I do back home, and then what I work for ECOWAS and the African Union, United Nations, many political offices, then whether not prime minister office or ministers or president. One thing I take away lessons practically now, the fact say I can realize say now one question we inform.